Hi Scorpios, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see your predictions for the month of May 2021, and we are going to see what are the guidance messages for you in the month of May. Alright, so this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. So take what resonates and leave the rest. So let's get started with your reading. For my Scorpios, let's see what is there. Before that, I'm going to take one guidance card for you, and let's see. Okay, so I have got two cards for you. Okay, so first one is, don't let your past hold you back. Okay, so I think you clearly clearly get what it means, and have faith in your dreams. Okay, so this is for both of the people, those who are going through some rough stage of past issues, going through something from the past person. You might be in you might not be in touch with the past person, but yes, you are in constant overthinking about that past person still now. So this is clearly a message for you, Scorpios, that don't let your past hold you back. It is clearly for you. And have faith in your dreams. So whatever, see, because of the past, we stop seeing the future, stop seeing the dreams, we stop the present, we stop it, everything. And that is the reason why things are going not very good around you, because this past is stopping you. You are not dreaming anything, not in your sleep. Every time, like day or night, your past is trying to hold you back. This is the reason for some of you, your pain, some of your stagnant growth. Okay, let me check one more guidance card for you from my other deck. Okay. Give love. Wow. So this is Scorpios are very good in giving love. So I think someone out there needs to hear this message, that you have to give love. Yes, you want love, because of the past. You might have given a lot of love in the past. You might have trusted many people in the past, and all you get was betrayal from the past. Okay, so that is why you have stopped thinking, you have stopped giving love, you have stopped yourself somewhere. Okay, and that is why the card is for you, Scorpios. Give love. Let's get our tarot. Let's see what is there for my Scorpios. Scorpio, so I'm going to take out some past, present and future energies for you, and we will check what is it. Present and future energies for my Scorpios. So I'm getting big, there are so many major arcanas with suits in your message today. So the overall energy is judgment. So this is a decision being made, your overall energy at this time. You might be on hold in taking some decision around you. You might be thinking a lot. Yeah, there is some decision pending, and you have to take it at present. So this can be a decision about something which, good future to come. Your present has in your present, and that is why your past is holding you back to take that decision. It can be. Your past energies are the Emperor, the Hierophant and the Nine of Wands. Okay, so there could be a marriage or a relationship which was blocked. Okay, a relationship, this seems like something was fine before, but something stopped all of a sudden. You were blocked, or this person was blocked by you. You were not in talking terms with each other. Emperor and the Nine of Wands is also here. So there was like a stoppage in the talks, the mindset. There were a difference of opinions between two people, and both of them were at their highest level, because the Emperor and with the Hierophant is here. So I feel that the energies are for two people over here, and This is the reason why when our mindsets do not match, we just feel that let's leave this person and move on. My mindset is not matching. I want to do something, this person wants to do something. Maybe you were the one who wanted marriage from this relationship, but this person was very stagnant, very, sorry, it's not stagnant, was very stiff, was very rigid. And this person he or she was like, no, I need to do something about my career first. No, I'm not going to get married now. Every time you always start getting a no from this person. And what else, you always wanted to do something in relation with something serious, and this person was not serious. Whosoever, okay, this can be a love relationship, this can be something in relation with your career, in relation with your finances, because what I'm seeing, that there was a person who was just opposite to you, and because of that person, whatever decision is pending at present, it's all because of that past person. It can be a mother or father at home. It can be someone who has blocked the energies which you wanted to do but you couldn't do. So in the present, the cards are Page of Wands, the Star, and the Magician. Yeah, you are hoping really good. So you might have met someone new, so you might have got some new ideas at present, or might have met somebody new. You might be talking to this person, and with a lot of manifestation and with strong hope, you want to take this thing ahead, but your past is holding you back. Okay, so that is what I am getting the reading. I don't know whether you are getting it or not, but yes, this is the big issue when we are not letting ourselves to move on. Well, your future energies, Scorpios, are the Hangman, Knight of Pentacles, and the Eight of Cups. It's always in your reading, Scorpio, I don't know, but this Eight of Cups is your favorite card for Scorpios. You have to let go the emotions, your water energy, you have that energy, you are not able to let go of the past. It's really hard for you, but the best part in you, when you try to move on, when you move on, there's no looking back. Okay, you are getting hold back, but when in the coming future, this can be the month of May. Yes, in the starting you might feel that your energies are stagnant, you are not able to take any decision, but once you will take a decision, there is no coming back, and that is what I'm seeing in the coming future for you. Let's just clarify these cards for my Scorpios. Let's clarify some cards. Okay, so why the Judgment card is here? What kind of decision is pending for Scorpios? What is this? What is this Judgment card? Knight of Wands. Yes, this is a very strong personality, a personality which you might have met, or a strong decision making, or a strong idea which has come up, and you want to fulfill it, but you are in the middle. What to do? Yeah, Eight of Pentacles. You might have worked really hard for this as well, but if you have worked hard, if you are doing it, if you are healing yourself, I feel that healings are also involved in this situation of your Scorpios. You need to heal yourself, because Scorpios are very good healers, because they are the water signs and they know how to heal themselves. So I think you will move on by yourself, when you will work on yourself. So Eight of Pentacles with the Eight of Cups, so I'm getting 8 as well, and that is a very strong energy for you, Scorpios. Okay, so let's see the past. The Emperor, the Hierophant, and the Nine of Wands. What are these three cards? One card for these three cards. Ace of Pentacles. Yes, it was something new. It was something new and something stable, which you thought, which was not actually. One more energy. Queen of Cups. So, well, the King of Cups is you. So, Queen of Cups, this might be a Cancer or a Taurus or an Aries, but does not has to be. Something related with love, something related with emotions, and full of emotions. You are very emotional with this situation. Lovers is here, Gemini energy. So yeah, it was stable, it was looking good, it was love. You thought that this will bring good hopes, this will bring happiness in your life, but this energy stopped and this energy blocked everything. You know, everything was just came to an end all of a sudden. So in the present, Page of Wands, the Star and the Magician. 10 of Wands. You are really feeling heavy now, Scorpios, because you have to take some decision, and that is why you are feeling very heavy, that you have to take the decision but you cannot because your past is holding you back, and that is why it's really hard for you to move on. You have to just leave those baggages and then you have to move on. So that means you have to move on by not taking these baggages. See how this is it a bull? Yeah, bull or ox is here. So he is like, you know, so much of baggage over, you know, so much of weight, and this lady is just walking past. So this is what you are feeling. You have packed all your bags from a situation which was so meant to be yours. So that is why there's so much of luggage, you know, because when we shift permanently at some place, we move in with all our luggage. But this means that this thing is over. Okay, you have to permanently move on. You are working on it, you have strong hopes for this present situation, but from the past things you cannot carry those things in the present. You know, do not bring these baggages, do not just take these baggages to the next relationship or in the next. You have to learn your lessons from the past things and then only try to move on. Okay, do not take these baggages to the next relationship. No. What else do we have in the present energy for my Scorpios? Strength. Yeah, you need that strength. Okay, so I'm seeing the infinity sign as well, so it's over the Magician as well, and over here as well, the infinity sign. So if you are going to do like this, you are going to be in the same cycle, you know, infinity, starting from here and ending here only. Okay, how is the 8 made? 8 is also made like that, where from where you start you come back. It's like a boomerang. Okay, so you do not have to enter in that cycle again. You have to just let pass these things, Scorpio. The Hangman, Knight of Pentacles and 8 of Cups in the future energies. What are these energies telling for my Scorpios? Judgment again. See this energy, this decision making card is here. Oh wow, so I feel that a decision is going to happen a little after some while, not might be in May, maybe in June, July, but a decision making will be done by you. You will not just sit over there and not answer, not ask from the universe what will happen, you know, just change the things. No, you are not that kind of person. You might take some time before taking that decision, but the decision will be made by you. You will move on from that energy of the past and you are going to take a decision which is very good for you. The Judgment with the 4 of Wands, a happy family card, you know, celebration, reunions, happiness, marriages. So something related with this year is going to be very good for you, Scorpios. I don't know, I just said it. Okay, coming 8 months. Alright, Scorpios, so that is all from my side. I hope that helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.